To make this simple but effective scrub, you just need a few basic ingredients you might have at home already: sugar, jojoba oil, and essential oil. The hero ingredient in this scrub is obviously sugar, as it makes for an amazing gentle exfoliator that's safe for almost every skin type, even those prone to sensitivity. Jojoba oil is added to nourish the skin and make it more pliable, as this makes it easier for the ingrown hair to get released. And finally, adding an essential oil like tea tree oil is key, because it has antiseptic properties that prevent and fight off infected ingrown hairs while also calming inflammation and redness. Actually, making your scrub couldn't be easier. It's fairly self-explanatory, but you just need to mix the ingredients together until the concoction looks ready. Trust your eyes and your gut on this one. Typically, a half cup of sugar and oil will suffice, while 10 to 20 drops of your preferred essential oil is the way to go. That being said, you can also totally tailor this recipe depending on how you like your body scrubs to be. Once you're happy with the state of your scrub, you can go right ahead and use it in the bath or shower. To target your ingrown hairs, you'll want to use the scrub daily on the infected area for 1 week, unless your skin gets red or irritated, for best results. After you've seen an improvement, you can then use it 2 to 3 times a week to help ward off more hairs. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips. Watch our other videos and be healthy for a long time.